What up, guys? Your boy Gabe the Gent, aka the Collector, coming at you with another video, another intro. I think I said that once or twice already. But regardless, want to come at you with a little preface to Wahlburgers. If you don't know, Wahlburgers is part of the Wahlburger family, and the most famous to me, Mark Wahlberg. There's Mark Wahlberg, Donnie Wahlberg, and the famous chef who opened the restaurant is Paul Wahlberg. So these three are pretty much the main components of who opened up Wahlburgers. They have a TV show. Obviously, if you know Mark Wahlberg, he's in a bunch of movies. Donnie Wahlberg, group band or boy band, whatever you want to get, New Kids on the Block. And you have Chef Wahlberg, who is the famous chef. So that's just a little intro to Wahlburgers. Definitely when I saw that it was in Atlanta. I know there's one in Orlando. There's two actually in Orlando. So if you ever get a chance, check them out and give you my review coming up next after we try the burger. Okay? Let me know what you think as always in the comments.
Ordered the Wahlburger, or we're at Wahlburgers, but ordered the Our Burger. That's what it's called, the Our Burger? Yeah, right. Cheese, lettuce, tomato, the burger, and some crispy bacon. And the wall sauce was basically this Thousand Island sauce. Looks pretty good. I don't know what kind of bun this is. It doesn't look like a potato bun, but instead of the fries, I got the sweet potato tater tots. See what's up with these. Let's get into it. So far, tasty burger. The buns are pretty sturdy, sturdier than any other bun that I've had. If that means anything. The burger, it's pretty good. This place kind of reminds me of a BurgerFi, just of the stuff they have. They have beer, they have shakes and stuff like that. But so far so good. The tomato is refreshing. 3/4 of the way in. The bacon very pretty crispy, really good. Burger's really good. The tomato, like I said, is refreshing. It's nice cold to the burger's heat and cheese. Definitely pretty good. I'll have to put my thoughts on it ranked on the other ones later.
Welcome back. So we just finished the Wahlburger. I ordered the Our Burger. It's pretty much a basic burger. You build it how you want. I ordered it with, I think it's a 1/3 patty with lettuce, tomato, and bacon. Oh, and cheese, of course. Can't forget the cheese. I think on one of my videos I forgot the cheese. But ordered with that, and then I left the wall sauce, which is basically Thousand Island sauce, which is fine. And then I put some ketchup on the top after I got it. But after eating the burger, I felt, first of all, it was really good. It was pretty good. So it wasn't like, it was a bad burger. But when just even the place, Wahlburger, green, black, white, what I kind of related it to was a BurgerFi. I'm not sure BurgerFi is across the country, but I know BurgerFi is just starting popping up for a while now in Palm Beach, where I'm from. So, and BurgerFi is, if you check out my last video, I'll link it up below. I think I said it was like $16 for a burger, fries, and a drink. Well, this time, Wahlburgers, I got a burger, the sweet potato tots, and a drink. It came out to like $15.80. So it was around the same price, maybe like 50 cents difference, maybe $1 difference. So definitely relatable to BurgerFi. I'm gonna have to give it a 7.5 strong 8. Pretty much the same rating as a BurgerFi burger. They pretty much look the same. You could argue that BurgerFi and Wahlburgers is pretty much on the same level. The only difference that I noticed from Wahlburgers is you sit down and a waiter or waitress attends you. You sit down, you order from the menu. I added the menu here in the beginning. You can order beer, you can order sweets like ice cream and stuff like that. They call it custards. And then you pay the tab and then you leave a tip because obviously you're being waited on. So that's the difference between BurgerFi, where you can order on the app, order on the kiosk, and then you just order at the front. So that's pretty much my review. I'm pretty much giving it the same I did at BurgerFi. It was a tasty burger. So as always, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you were ever in the Orlando area or Atlanta area, I know there's a Wahlburgers. There's actually a Wahlburgers right down from the hotel that we're staying at. So we didn't go to that one. We went to a little bit different one at Battery in Atlanta. And I know there's a few across the country. So as always, appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.